Just imagine how amazing it would be if you could visually change a pen into a playing card right in front of your spectator's eyes within a split second, and that too by using just your sleight of hand skills. That would be amazing, right? And in this video, I'm exactly going to be teaching you that same trick. So hey everybody, I'm Shailazari. You're watching Making Impossible. Let's start our today's video. Okay guys, here's the performance of this trick. Now for the full performance, I need a spectator. But since I don't have one, I'm just going to show you how this pen changes, or the part where the pen changes into the playing card. So what happens at first is the spectator selects a random playing card, then he or she signs it with this pen, then he or she has this pen. You take back their card, put it inside the center of the deck, shuffle the deck of cards, give them back the deck. You take back the pen, and all you do is you visually transform this pen into the playing card, and this playing card will be none other than the card that they will be selecting. So that's what the trick looks like, that's what the transformation looks like. In the tutorial you're going to learn how it's done and how to perform it while doing a full routine magic trick. Okay guys, this is how this pen changes visually into a playing card, and this combines two moves. The first is a pen vanish and the second is a card production. Now both of these things, this happens somewhat at the same time, which makes it look like that the pen changed into the playing card. So for the pen vanish, you need to do the flipstick vanish, which looks somewhat like this. You're going to have the pen and the pen actually vanishes. So the pen doesn't actually vanish. You have the pen in this grip, the index over here, the thumb over here and the middle finger over here, and then what you do is you pull back the pen with your middle finger, and that happens very fast and with the perfect angle. This angle is an exposed view, and with the perfect angle you can actually vanish the pen from the spectator's point of view, but from your point of view the pen will be still over here right inside your palm. So that's the first move that you need to know, and the second move that you need to know is a card production, which looks somewhat like this. So for the card production, you have to have the card right over here under the edge of the middle finger, as you can see right over here at this edge, and then you're going to have the ring finger curled in just like that, almost till the half of the middle finger, so that it can support the card and prevent it from falling below to the ground, so that the spectator doesn't know that the card is hidden over here and your trick is not revealed. So at first you're going to have the card in this grip, and then while going to produce the card, you're going to press down over here with the thumb, and as soon as the card comes out from this point, all you're going to do is you're going to stretch the stretch the ring finger and your thumb and grab the card just like that. Okay, so that's the card production, and combining both of these things, doing both of these things at the same time, it will look like that the pen has changed into this playing card. So that's how this transformation is done. Now you need to practice this in front of a mirror a couple of times so that you can do it perfectly with the perfect angle. Now to get rid of this pen after producing the playing card, what you can do is you can do two things. The first thing is, if you're wearing a full sleeve shirt or a jacket like this, then what you're going to do is, after doing the flipstick move, you can just push the pen inside the jacket. Or what you can do, the second thing is, you can, after producing the card, what you can do is you can just hold the card with this hand, and you have the pen right over here. You drop this hand by the side of your body, and you can drop this pen inside your pocket and then come back with the hand back to the card. So that's how you can also get rid of the pen. So those are the two techniques of getting rid of the pen, and as I told you that I'm going to teach you how to apply this into the card trick. All you have to do is you have to have this deck of cards. After your spectator selects a playing card, they sign it with that pen. You're going to just have that playing card go inside the center of the deck. You remember the playing card, but it should look like that you made the card go inside the center of the deck, but you're going to have that card popped in your hand. So that's how you're going to steal the playing card. If you don't know how to pop a playing card, I'm not going to teach you in this trick, because otherwise this video is going to become very long. I have a tutorial for it, and the link to that tutorial will be given in the description box as well as in the cards. So make sure you check that out if you need to, if you want to know the gambler's cop. And after you get the card into the cop's position, while you give this deck back to the spectator, what you're going to do is you're going to drop the hand by the side of your body, and then you're going to use your thumb to move the card from this cop position to this position, which is the position where the card will be hidden before it is produced like that. So that's how you can get the card into that position, and then after giving back the deck of cards, you take back the pen and do the pen the pen to card changing magic trick, and that's how you can apply this trick, this visual pen transformation trick, to this card trick, and that's how you can do a very nice and beautiful card trick. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @ShoelAzari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that. And don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a pretty savage channel. I post entertaining videos and gameplays over there, and the link to the channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!